When am I going to do this? Well, I'm going to show you in one of my 3 baking tips. I am a cook. I'm not really a baker. So when I do bake, which isn't often, I like my baking to be really, really efficient. So what I have done, I have 3 of these baking tips that I use myself. You might think, she's a bit mad, but they actually make baking really efficient. So follow me and I'll show you what I do. Right, first of all, when you've got those recipes that say you want a squeeze of lemon, and then you squeeze your lemon and you cut it in half, you squeeze your lemon and you put it in the fridge, and then about a day later it's all brown, and like lemons, I don't know, like $40 each. Okay, so this is what I do. I get my lemon and I give it a rub on the bench, which is what everyone does, or you can put it in the microwave. And then I get my doodah, any skewer will do, and I put it into its, let's call it its bottom, shall we? Give it a squiddle around. And then I just squeeze the juice out, right? And that works for a couple of days. And you know what happens? The air doesn't get into it. It doesn't go brown. You get so much juice out of that. Just keep turning it and it comes out. When I'm finished with the juice, what I do then is cut my lemon up. I make gin and tonic ice cubes. Because after the baking, I deserve a gin and tonic. That's what I do with that. Okay, so next, you need an elastic band, people. Okay, so get yourself your I've got my baking powder, or you could use your flour or cocoa or whatever it is you're baking with. Put your elastic band over the container, and this is how you get one of those lovely clean measurements. Okay, so I've got teaspoon. I'm going to get heaped teaspoon, and then I'm going to level it off. Look at that. Clean. Yeah. Sweet. Put that on top of there. Put that in the cupboard, and that's ready for the next time. Nice and simple. Now the other thing that I do, and this has caught me out so many times, you know when you have to lightly grease your little tray, and then you do this and you pour it in, you get half a gallon in there, and you kind of get it all over your eyebrows and everywhere, and it drives me crazy. So this is what I do. I take the lid off, and I save my squirters when they're empty, wash them out, put it on top, and just three. I have hundreds of them, but they're my top three. So they're my baking tips. You've been hacked. Don't forget my socials as well. You can subscribe today and become part of the Hacks community.